Ganon, bitis ang kulit yun, ang kulit yun ako. Nagano na kay ko din. Sige ko pang yung balay.
Gikilayan kaniya ba?
May,
Si Jerlyn.
wala mo naman akong kilay.
Kinsa nagkilay sa imo? Bugok. Okay,
Bugok,
tanga.
mo naman akong kilay at ulas.
So, ang ilay kay sing nga.
Mo naman akong kilay.
Ilay siya bisada na tiyang artiki nga wata.
Ata, mo naman akong kilay.
Ano ba?
Ano man eh.
Nagkilay sa giyag hindi. Nipis kay
Nara o. Abun.
Hello, Min. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good.
Wow, that's really nice, Min. What's the weather today?
Foggy.
Great job. Okay, so right now in here it's raining so hard. It is so cold. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Ano yun? Yes.
Nice. What did you eat for dinner?
Nakalira niyo.
What did you eat for dinner? Did you eat rice, fish, or chicken?
Kap, yan, pergi. Palit na bago yung pinalit naman na komprame.
What did you eat? I eat
I eat. Ito na sir, baik kebukat niya. Nagulog sila, tapos may nag-picture. Ay, wala pa. Ay, bugo.
What did you eat? Okay, me, I eat rice, chicken, and apple. How about you? What did you eat?
Wala. Ay, na. Wala kayo ito, mabag ito pahit. Ikaw, mga nagwapa kayo sa.
Did you eat rice? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, that's all right. Now look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Now we are in Unit 16. Let's do some sports. Now let's learn. Look, listen, and repeat.
Laugh.
Nice.
Very good.
Shout.
Fruit. Yan ba? Oh.
Shout, shout.
Have.
Nice.
Jump.
Come.
Very good. Okay, now look, listen, and say.
Sail.
Sail.
Nice.
Hockey.
Hockey.
Very good.
Inside.
Outside.
Nice.
Outside.
Outside.
Very good. Now, look at them mean. When we sail on a boat. Okay. Now look at this one. This is a sport hockey. Then we have inside, that's in. Where is the cat? It's inside the box. Where is the cat? It's outside the box. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, what? Oh, wow. This is done. Wait a minute, Min. Oh, yes. So let's look at this one. Ask and answer. Look and answer in a complete sentence. Do you play football?
How busy do ka?
Yes, yes, I do.
Nice. Okay. Where do you play?
Wala isa. Ganda kasi magpapanda rin. Hindi, nagagawin niya yung bago niya sa
Where do you play?
ako, bayo. Ano isa? Hindi ako lagi. Gang. Kotay doon. Gusto kang kay Dudan. Panigang. What?
Do you play in the park, at school, or at home?
Ano?
Very nice. Okay, now look. Do you like watching football?
Dawa.
Yes, I do.
Wow, nice. Why? Because
Agus ko isa. Ay, litsi. Nalifre.
because why? Is it because it's fun? Is it because it's interesting? Why do you like football? Because
It's fun.
Yes.
very good. Okay, now do you watch games on TV or do you go and see games?
Bawal ka. Di mga ito siya. Pagin mo
And watch games on TV.
Very good. Okay, what's another name for football?
Ili. Di uy ako. Comment na.
What's another name for football?
Awa kayo. Gani na dyan pa na isa. Nagmap ko dyan map. Ayaw.
Okay, we call it soccer.
Pili.
Yes, soccer is the same with football. All right, Min? Great. Okay, now look. Who's your favorite football player?
Ito yung kalingawan.
Who's your favorite football player?
Nagkasalan mo. Disilpo. Luis na lang siya. Paano po? No? Wait po. Ako naman. Kung gwapo ko eh. Kung gwapo or gwapa. Gwapa bitaw. Ay, God.
Do you like Messi? Yes or no?
No.
Ah, okay. Now look, which tennis player, oh, do you like playing tennis?
No.
Yes or no? No, okay. Now, why do you think that some people call football the beautiful game? Because,
Gwapa pa na. Ito ba yung ako pa?
because,
Ako na ikulo. Na ikulo. Kalis.
is it because it's fun? Is it because it's beautiful? Or is it because it's interesting?
Is
What man sa migi hatag ang 500.
fun.
It's fun. Very good. All right. Now give me a high five, Mean. Nice. All right. Now look at this one. Let's write the sport. Okay, there is one example. Okay, look. The first letter of the first word is the first letter of the sport. Now look, the first word is ball. What's the first letter? It's letter B. B, B. Okay, ball, table, and ass. B, B. Basketball. Okay, ball, table, then ask. Basketball. Now your turn. Look, fall, boat, to, and boot. What's that? It starts with letter F.
Football.
It's very good. Okay. How about this one? Tail, net, best, and table. It starts with letter T. Ta, 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 ta. It's this one. Toot, 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 toot. What's that?
Tennis.
Yes, tennis or
No.
table tennis. Okay, now that's all right. You got it. We have bad, bat, into, mat. Wow, it starts with letter B. Baba. It's also like this. Boop, boop, boop. What's that? It starts with letter B. Ba, ba,
Hat.
bad.
Um, Badminton.
That's right. You are smart. How about this one mean? In, nice, sing, tick, and skate.
Mm,
It starts with letter I. We do it during winter. It starts with letter I. What's that?
Ice cream.
Try again. It's a sport. Oh, it's very cold. And we sometimes, oh yeah, we wear a suit when we do this sport. Okay, it's not ice cream, it's a sport. Let's do it again.
Cat.
Skate, great. So what is the sport that we skate? What's that? Ice?
Ice cat.
Okay, one more. Ice skate.
Ice cat.
Ice skating. Okay. Now last one. You can do it. Hide, doing, goes, and ride. Wow. Okay, now we ride this one. When we when we do this sport, and this is me. What's that? Hiya. Tugru- Hiya. What's that? It's
Mm,
it is it starts with letter H. Ho, ho. What's that?
mm.
What's that? What's that? Hiya. What's that? Tug, 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 tug.
Um,
What's that?
Riding a house.
That's right. So let's do it again. Horse,
Ride a house.
horse riding.
Horse riding.
Very good. Give me a high five, Min. Nice. You've got this. One big candy. Great job. Okay, now Min, look at this one. How many words can you make from Sport Center? Okay, now let me give you an example. Sport Center. I have here tree. What other words can you make from the word Sport Center? T-R-E-E. Trees. Now your turn. What else? Trees. Center. Okay. I also have sun. What else? Scent. Your turn. Make a word using this word. What's that? Give me one. You can do it. Okay, look. We have T, E, N, T. What's that? Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Okay, now your turn. Just one word. You can do it. We have net and E-T. It's all right, Min. Okay, now let's look at this one, Min. Oh, wow, we are done. Okay, so today we're going to learn more. Are you ready to learn more, Min? Are you ready? Okay, so we are in Unit 17, our hobbies. When we say hobbies, those are the things that we like to do. Example, reading, singing, playing football, dancing. Okay, now I like reading, singing, and dancing. How about you? What do you like? I like,
I like playing chess, badminton, and running.
very good. How about football? Do you like playing football?
Yes,
Wow. Badminton, chess, football, and running. Great job. You are a sporty person. Now let's learn. Look, listen, and repeat.
Boat.
foot,
Nice.
Sun.
Great
hat,
job. Very good.
beach.
Nice. Okay, do you like sailing a boat? Yes or no?
Yes,
Wow, great job. Where do we sail the boat? Do we sail the boat in school, at home, in the ocean, or in the swimming pool?
at home.
Ah, the boat. Where do we sail the boat? Oh, in the ocean, not at home. All right. Now look at the sun. What color is the sun?
Is yellow.
That's right. If there is a sun, is it hot or cold?
Hot.
That's right. Do you like when it's sunny? Yes or no? Do you like
Yes,
when it's sunny? Wow, that's great. Okay, now look at this one. What is this?
It's a hat.
That's right. What color is the hat?
It's a pink.
That's right. It's pink. Do you have a pink hat? Do you
No.
have? No, very good. Do you have a hat?
Yes.
Great. What color is your hat made?
It's red.
Very good. Okay, now look. What place is it? It's a what place is it?
Beach.
It's a beach. Nice. Now look at the beach. What's the weather there? It's sunny. Do you like going to the beach? Do you like going to the beach? Do you like going to the beach? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Now look, listen, and repeat.
Carry.
Carrot.
Draw.
Very good.
Rod.
Wave.
White.
Parachute.
Parrots.
Very good. Now look at the boy. What does he carry? Look, Min. What does he carry? The boy carries he carries a he carries notebooks and pencils. Okay, look at the girl. What does she draw?
If flowers.
That's right. Do you know how to draw? Do you know how to draw? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow, great. Can you draw a girl?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, now let's draw a girl. This is my girl. Like that. How about you? Can you draw a girl? This is my girl. How about you? Wow, very good.
No.
Yes, it's nice. It looks great. Okay. Wow.
No. Is
It's all
not.
right. It's a boy. That is a boy. Okay, so let me show you. This is my girl. This is my girl. All right. It looks terrible. Okay, anyway, Min, now look at this one. Do you like playing with the wave? Yes or no? Do you like
Yes.
playing with the wow, very good. Now look at this one. What is this? This is a
Parachute.
Parachute.
one more parachute. Parachute.
Parachute.
Great job, Min. All right. So today you've got one candy. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, thank you so much for joining. I hope you learned something. Bye, me.